Idyllic Roots. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share.
Hello kids, today we will learn idioms. What is the meaning of idioms? Idioms are a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning that is different from the meanings of each word on its own. So, let's start from A to G. First idiom is above board and the meaning is honest or open. Ad lib and the meaning is improvise or interpolate. The next idiom is a bit much and the meaning is more than is reasonable or a bit too much. The next idiom is a bite at the cherry and the meaning is a good opportunity that is not available to everyone. The next idiom is a busy bee and the meaning is a busy, active person who moves quickly from task to task. The next idiom is a cat has 9 lives and the meaning is cats seem to get away with dangerous things. The next idiom is a cold day in July and the meaning is something that will never happen. The next idiom is a cold fish and the meaning is someone who is not often moved by emotions, who is regarded as being hard and unfeeling. The next idiom is a cold fish and the meaning is someone who is not often moved by emotions, who is regarded as being hard and unfeeling. The next idiom is a cut above and the meaning is slightly better than. The next idiom is a cut below and the meaning is inferior to, somewhat lower in quality than. The next idiom is a day late and $1 short and the meaning is too delayed and insignificant to have much effect. The next idiom is a dog in the manger and the meaning is a person who selfishly prevent others from using, enjoying or profiting from something even though he or she cannot use or enjoy it himself. The next idiom is a picnic and the meaning is abnormally stupid or not really sane. The next idiom is a good deal and the meaning is to a large extent or a lot. And the next idiom is a great deal. Meaning is to a very large extent. Next idiom is a guinea pig and the meaning is someone who is part of an experiment or trial. Next idiom is a hair's breadth, and the meaning is a very small distance or amount. The next idiom is a home bird, meaning is somebody who prefers to spend his social and free time at home. The next idiom is 110%. The meaning is more than what seems to be the maximum. The next idiom is a lame duck, and the meaning is a person or enterprise, often a business, that is not a success and that has to be helped. Next idiom is a leg up, and the meaning is an advantage or a boost. The next idiom is add sixes and sevens, and the meaning is someone is in a state of confusion or not very well organized. The next idiom is at the drop of a hat, and the meaning is spontaneously or suddenly at the 11th hour. It happens when it is almost too late. The next idiom is at the end of one's rope, and the meaning is running out of endurance or patience. The next idiom is at the end of the day, meaning is in the final analysis when all is said and done. The next idiom is at wit's end, and the meaning is frustrated because all measures to deal with something have failed. The next idiom is an early bird, meaning is a person who gets up early in the morning or who starts work earlier than others. The next idiom is an eye for an eye, and the meaning is justice in which reparation or vengeance exactly matches the harm caused to the victim. The next idiom is an offer one can't refuse, and the meaning is an extremely attractive offer. The next idiom is an axe, and the meaning is to grind a grievance, a disagreement with someone that justifies confrontation. The next idiom is ancient history, meaning is something such as a disagreement that happened long ago and ought to be forgotten. The next idiom is and counting, and the meaning is and the number just mentioned is increasing or decreasing. The next idiom is and change, and the meaning is and an addition, an amount of money that's less than the next round number. Next idiom is and all that, and the meaning is 80, ketera, and so on. Next idiom is and his mother, and the meaning is an intensifier for an inclusive noun or phrase such as everyone, everybody. The next idiom is and so forth, and the meaning is indicates that a list continues in a similar manner, etc. And the next idiom is another nail in one's coffin. The meaning is something that leads to someone's death, literally or figuratively. And the next idiom is answer back. The meaning is respond impertinently to talk back. The next idiom is ants in your pants. The meaning is restlessness. Next idiom is and so on. Meaning is indicates that a list continues in a similar manner, etc. Next idiom is and the like, and the meaning is and other similar items, etc. Next idiom is and then some, and the meaning is and even more than what has just been mentioned. Next idiom is any port in a storm, and the meaning is if you are in trouble, you will turn to anything that improves the situation. The next idiom is any Tom, Dick or Harry. Meaning is any ordinary person. Next idiom is angel's advocate. The meaning is someone who takes a positive outlook on an idea or proposal. The next idiom is angel for. The meaning is aim toward something or try to obtain something, or often indirectly or secretly. The next idiom is apple of someone's eye. The meaning is the person that someone loves most of all and is very proud of. The next idiom is apples and oranges. The meaning is of two different classes or not comparable. The next idiom is apple of one's eye, and the meaning is a favorite person or thing, a person specially valued by someone. The next idiom is armed to the teeth, and the meaning is carrying many weapons. The next idiom is around the clock, and the meaning is at all times. The next idiom is as American as apple pie, and the meaning is very or typically American. The next idiom is as poor as a church mouse. Meaning is very poor. Next idiom is as red as a cherry. Meaning is very red. Next idiom is asleep at the wheel. Meaning is not paying attention to one's work or not doing one's job diligently. The next idiom is as far as I can throw. Meaning is only slightly. Next idiom is as fit as a fiddle. Meaning is to be healthy and physically fit. Next idiom is as pale as a ghost, and the meaning is extremely pale. Next idiom is as pale as death, and the meaning is extremely pale. Next idiom is at death's door, and the meaning is very near death. Next idiom is at each other's throats, and the meaning is constantly and strongly arguing. Next idiom is at loggerheads, and the meaning is in a state of persistent disagreement. The next idiom is at loggerheads, and the meaning is in a state of persistent disagreement. The next idiom is at sixes and sevens, and the meaning is someone is in a state of confusion or not very well organized. Next idiom is at the end of one's rope, meaning is running out of endurance or patience. Next idiom is at the end of the day, meaning is in the final analysis when all is said and done. Next idiom is at wit's end, and the meaning is frustrated because all measures to deal with something have failed. Next idiom is at the drop of a hat, meaning is spontaneously or suddenly. Next idiom is at the 11th hour, and the meaning is it happens when it is almost too late. Next idiom is babe in arms, and the meaning is a baby being carried. Next idiom is babe magnet, and the meaning is a man to whom women are attracted. Next idiom is behind the scenes, and the meaning is in a way not apparent to the public. Next idiom is behind the times, and the meaning is old fashioned. Next idiom is behind the eight ball, and the meaning is at a serious disadvantage. Next idiom is boy toy, and the meaning is a young man who is the lover of an older, often wealthier woman. Next idiom is boys will be boys, and the meaning is a phrase of resignation used when boys get into trouble or are stereotypically reckless or rowdy. Next idiom is born on the wrong side of the blanket, and the meaning is born to parents who were not married. Next idiom is borrow trouble, and the meaning is take needless risks, invite problems. Next idiom is break a leg, and the meaning is good luck. This is used for a stage performer or for anyone else who is about to give some kind of a performance, such as an important speech. The next idiom is break out in a cold sweat, and the meaning is to perspire from fever or anxiety. The next idiom is break up, split up, and the meaning is end the relationship. The next idiom is break the bank, and the meaning is exhaust one's financial resources. The next idiom is break the ice, and the meaning is to get something started, particularly by means of a social interaction or conversation. The next idiom is bring home the bacon, and the meaning is earn money for one's family. The next idiom is bringing a knife to a gunfight, meaning is under equipped or unprepared. Next idiom is brush under the carpet, meaning is attempt to temporarily conceal a problem or error. Next idiom is bucket list, and the meaning is things you want to see or do before you die. Next idiom is bull in a china shop, meaning is a clumsy or tactless person. Next idiom is bump in the road, meaning is a temporary problem or a small setback. Next idiom is bundle up, meaning is put on lots of warm clothing. Next idiom is burn one's bridges, meaning is leave a job or a relationship on such bad terms that one does not stay in contact. Next idiom is burn the candle at both ends, meaning is to work too hard or with possible bad consequences or for one's health. Next idiom is burn the candle at both ends, meaning is work very long hours. Next idiom is burn the midnight oil, meaning is to work late into the night. Next idiom is burn the midnight oil, meaning is working late into the night, bury the hatchet, make peace, agree to, end a dispute. Next idiom is business as usual, meaning is a normal situation, whether related to business or not, typically restored after some change. The next idiom is bury one's head in the sand, and the meaning is right ignoring something that's obviously wrong, not facing reality. Next idiom is busman's holiday, UK, meaning is a working vacation. The next idiom is busted flush, and the meaning is a failure, someone or something that seemed promising but did not develop well. Next idiom is butter would not melt in, and the meaning is mouth this person is cool in manner or prim and proper. Next idiom is buy a pig in a poke, and the meaning is to buy something with no prior inspection. Next idiom is buy time, and the meaning is cause a delay in something with the aim of improving one's position. Next idiom is by hook or by crook, meaning is by some possibly dishonest means. Next idiom is by the skin of one's teeth, and the meaning is barely escaping disaster. Next idiom is by a whisker, meaning is by a very short distance. Next idiom is by all means, and the meaning is of course, certainly. Next idiom is by word of mouth, and the meaning is via personal communications rather than written media. Next idiom is coming down the pike, and the meaning is likely to occur in the near future. Next idiom is couch potato, and the meaning is a lazy person who watches a great deal of television. Next idiom is crash a party, and the meaning is to attend a party without being invited. Next idiom is cook someone's goose, and the meaning is to ensure someone's defeat or to frustrate someone's plans. Next idiom is cool cat, meaning is someone who has the respect of their peers in a young, casual way. The next idiom is chase rainbows, and the meaning is to pursue unrealistic goals. Next idiom is change horses in midstream, and the meaning is change plans or leaders in the middle of a process. Next idiom is change of heart, meaning is a change in one's opinion or outlook. Next idiom is crunch the numbers, and the meaning is do calculations before making a decision or prediction. Next idiom is cry over spilt, meaning is milk to waste energy, moaning about something that has already happened. Next idiom is cry wolf, and the meaning is to issue a false alarm or to ask for help when none is needed. Next idiom is cooking up a storm, meaning is cooking a great deal of food. Next idiom is learn the ropes, meaning is become more familiar with a job or field of endeavor. be trained. Next idiom is let bygones be bygones, meaning is agree to forget about a past conflict. Next idiom is let one's hair down, meaning is to relax and enjoy themselves. Next idiom is let sleeping dogs lie, meaning is to avoid stirring up a problem, to leave things alone. Next idiom is let the cat out of the bag, meaning is reveal a secret, or usually a secret you or others are trying to keep. Next idiom is let bygones be bygones, meaning is agree to forget about a past conflict. Next idiom is let off steam, meaning is to express anger and frustration in a way that does no damage. Next idiom is let the genie out of the bottle, meaning is reveal something hitherto suppressed. Next idiom is letter of the law, meaning is the explicit meaning of a law as opposed to the spirit of the law or the law's general intention. Next idiom is lick one's wounds, meaning is rest after a bad defeat. Next idiom is life is a bowl of cherries, meaning is life is wonderful or very pleasant. Next idiom is light a fire under someone, meaning is inspire someone to work very hard. Next idiom is light at the end of the tunnel, meaning is a sign of hope after a long period of difficulties. Next idiom is like a moth to a flame, meaning is drawn to something or someone despite the dangers. Next idiom is like father, like son, meaning is sons inherit their fathers' traits and preferences, often even without realizing it. Next idiom is like two peas in a pod, meaning is bearing a strong resemblance. Next idiom is like a kid in a candy store, meaning is to be so excited about one's surroundings that one acts in a childlike or silly way. Next idiom is like the cat that got the cream, meaning is looking particularly self-satisfied, often to the annoyance of others. Next idiom is like shooting, meaning is fish in a barrel very easy. Next idiom is like taking candy from a baby, meaning is very easy. Next idiom is lion's den, and the meaning is any dangerous or frightening place. Next idiom is living in cloud cuckoo land, meaning is having unrealistic or foolish beliefs, or plans. Next idiom is lion's share, meaning is the largest part of something. Next idiom is like father, like son, meaning is sons inherit their fathers' traits and preferences, often even without realizing it. Next idiom is like two peas in a pod, meaning is bearing a strong resemblance. Next idiom is like a kid in a candy store, meaning is to be so excited about one's surroundings that one acts in a childlike or silly way. Next idiom is like the cat that got the cream, meaning is looking particularly self-satisfied, often to the annoyance of others. Next idiom is live large, meaning is have a luxurious lifestyle. Next idiom is living on borrowed time, meaning is following an illness or near death experience, or may people believe they have cheated death. Next idiom is living under a rock, meaning is ignorant of important events. Next idiom is usually used as a question, meaning is have you been living under a rock? Next idiom is loaded for bear, meaning is prepared for problems or well prepared for a challenge. Next idiom is loan shark, meaning is a predatory lender, one who makes high interest loans to desperate people. Next idiom is lock horns, meaning is to lock horns is to argue, to come into conflict. Next idiom is long shot, meaning is something with little chance of success. Next idiom is look the other way, meaning is take no notice of violations of laws or rules, or unofficially condone something. Next idiom is look what the cat dragged in, meaning is someone unwelcome has arrived. Next idiom is loose cannon, meaning is someone out of control, or someone who speaks or acts recklessly. Next idiom is lost touch, meaning is to fall out of a contact. Next idiom is lost the thread, meaning is be unable to follow someone's reasoning. Next idiom is lost it, meaning is to suddenly become unable to behave or think in a sensible way. Next idiom is lose one's touch, meaning is suffer a decline in one's skill at doing something. Next idiom is love at first sight, meaning is falling in love with somebody the first time you see them. Next idiom is love someone with all of one's heart and soul. Meaning is to love someone completely. Next idiom is love rat. Meaning is somebody who cheats on his or her partner. Next idiom is lower the boom. Meaning is implement a punishment or reprimand severely. The next idiom is low hanging fruit. Meaning is easy parts of a task. Solutions easy to obtain. The next idiom is the man. Meaning is an accomplished or skillful person. Generally used in the compliment you da man. The next idiom is darken someone's door. Meaning is make an unwanted visit to someone's home. Next idiom is dance with the devil. Meaning is knowingly do something immoral. Next idiom is dance to someone's tune. Meaning is consistently follow someone's directions or influence. The next idiom is dark horse. Meaning is a surprise candidate or competitor, especially one who comes from behind to make a strong showing. The next idiom is dead ahead. Meaning is directly ahead, either in a literal or a figurative sense. The next idiom is dead of winter. Meaning is the coldest, darkest part of winter. Next idiom is dead ringer. Meaning is very similar in appearance. Next idiom is dead run. Meaning is running as fast as possible. Next idiom is dead as the dodo. Meaning is completely extinct or totally gone. Next idiom is dead eye, and the meaning is a good shooter or a good marksman. Next idiom is dead heat. Meaning is an exact tie in a race or competition. Next idiom is dead shot. Meaning is a good shooter or a good marksman. Next idiom is deliver the goods. Meaning is provide what is expected. Next idiom is devil's advocate. Meaning is someone who argues a point note out of conviction, but in order to air various points of view. Next idiom is deep pockets. Meaning is the new owner has deep pockets, so fans are hoping the football team will improve next year with new players. The next idiom is dirty look. Meaning is a facial manner that signifies disapproval. Next idiom is dodge a bullet. Meaning is to narrowly escape disaster. Next idiom is dog days of the summer, meaning is the hottest day of summer. Next idiom is do 12-ounce curls, meaning is drink beer. Next idiom is doesn't amount to a hill of beans, meaning is unimportant or is negligible. Next idiom is dog eat dog, meaning is intensively competitive. Next idiom is don't look a gift horse in the mouth, meaning is do not question the value of a gift. The expression comes from the practice of determining the age and health of a horse by looking at its teeth. The next idiom is double dip, meaning is improperly get income from two different sources. Next idiom is double-edged sword, meaning is something that can be helpful or harmful, or something beneficial that also has a downside. Next idiom is don't judge a book by its cover, meaning is don't be deceived by looks or don't rely on looks when judging someone or something. Next idiom is dog in the manger, meaning is a person who prevents others from using something even though the person himself or herself doesn't want it. The next idiom is dog and pony show, meaning is a fleshy presentation, often in a marketing context. The next idiom is don't cry over spilled milk, meaning is don't worry about minor things. The next idiom is draw a line in the sand, meaning is issue an ultimatum, specify an absolute limit in a conflict. The next idiom is down in the dumps, meaning is depressed or sad. The next idiom is drag one's feet or heels, meaning is to do something reluctantly and slowly. The next idiom is draw a line under, meaning is to conclude something and move on to something else. The next idiom is draw a long bow, meaning is exaggerate or lie. Next idiom is down the road, meaning is in the future. The next idiom is drag your feet, meaning is do something very reluctantly or delay doing something. The next idiom is drive a hard bargain, meaning is to negotiate effectively. Next idiom is Dutch uncle, meaning is a highly critical person. Next idiom is dyed in the wool, meaning is consistent in an affiliation or opinion over a long period, invertebrate. Next idiom is drive a wedge between, meaning is try to split fraction of a united group by introducing an issue on which they disagree. Next idiom is Dutch courage, meaning is alcohol drunk with the intention of working up the nerve to do something. The next idiom is draw the line, meaning is to set a limit to what one will accept. Next idiom is drive a hard bargain, meaning is to negotiate effectively. Next idiom is Dutch uncle, meaning is a highly critical person. Next idiom is dyed in the wool, meaning is consistent in an affiliation or opinion over a long period, or invertebrate. Next idiom is drive a wedge between. The meaning is try to split factions of a united group by introducing an issue on which they disagree. Next idiom is early bird, meaning is someone who does something prior to the usual time, or someone who gets up early. Next idiom is eagle-eyed, meaning is having sharp vision. Next idiom is eat crow, meaning is to admit one was wrong, or and accept humiliation. Next idiom is elevator pitch, meaning is a brief presentation of an idea, or one short enough to be delivered in an elevator. Next idiom is eager beaver, meaning is the term eager beaver refers to a person who is hardworking and enthusiastic, sometimes considered overzealous. Next idiom is elevator music, meaning is pleasant but boring recorded music that is played in public places. Next idiom is eat humble pie, meaning is to admit defeat or error, to accept humiliation. Next idiom is eat someone's lunch, meaning is defeat someone thoroughly. Next idiom is elevator music, meaning is pleasant but boring recorded music that is played in public places. Next idiom is every man for himself, meaning is pursue your own interests, don't expect help from others. Next idiom is eat your heart out, meaning is go ahead or be jealous. Next idiom is 11th hour, meaning is the last minute. Next idiom is every dog has his. Meaning is day everyone has a moment of fame, power or influence. Next idiom is every man and his dog. Meaning is many people. Next idiom is even Steven. Meaning is owing nothing, tied in a game. Next idiom is 86. Meaning is discard, eliminate or throw someone out of a bar or store. Next idiom is elephant in the room. Meaning is a major problem that no one is talking about. Next idiom is excused boots. Meaning is allowed to avoid mandatory task. Next idiom is find your feet. Meaning is to adjust to a new place or situation. Next idiom is finger pointing. Meaning is blame or a situation within a group where each member attempts to blame others. Next idiom is fell off the back of a lorry. Meaning is probably stolen or illicitly obtained. Said of something offered for sale to avoid discussing its origins. Next idiom is 15 minutes of fame. Meaning is temporary renown. Next idiom is fifth wheel. Meaning is a superfluous person. Next idiom is fight fire with fire. Meaning is use the same measures that are being used against you, even if they are stronger than you would usually use. Next idiom is for crying out loud. Meaning is an expression of extreme annoyance. Next idiom is foul play and the meaning is crime or typically murder. Next idiom is finger pointing. Meaning is blame. A situation within a group where each member attempts to blame others. Next idiom is fire in the belly and the meaning is strong ambition. Next idiom is first in, best dressed. Meaning is the first people to do something will have an advantage. Next idiom is fish for compliments and the meaning is try to manipulate people into praising you. Next idiom is fish or cut bait, usually an exclamation. Meaning is make a decision or give someone else a chance. The next idiom is fish out of water. Meaning is a person who is in unfamiliar, confusing surroundings. Next idiom is five-finger discount. Meaning is shoplifting. Next idiom is flew the coop. Meaning is left or escaped. Next idiom is flip-flop. Meaning is to vacillate between two choices or to be indecisive. Next idiom is fly by the seat of one's pants. Meaning is to improvise or to make decisions without planning or preparation. Next idiom is fly high, and the meaning is be very successful or especially temporarily. Next idiom is fly off the handle. Meaning is lose one's temper suddenly and unexpectedly. Next idiom is fly off the handle. Meaning is to become suddenly enraged. Next idiom is flash in the pan. Meaning is a one-time occurrence or not a permanent phenomenon. Next idiom is flat broke. Meaning is having no money at all. Next idiom is flat out like a lizard. Meaning is drinking very busy. Next idiom is flesh and blood. Meaning is blood relatives or close relatives. Next idiom is follow in someone's footsteps. Meaning is follow the example led down by someone else or supplant. Next idiom is follow your heart. Meaning is rely on one's deeper feelings and instincts when making a decision. Next idiom is food for thought. Meaning is something that makes you think carefully. Next idiom is for a song. Meaning is at very low cost. Next idiom is for XYZ reasons. Meaning is for multiple reasons or not worth specifying individually. Next idiom is for a song. Meaning is at very low cost. Next idiom is for crying out loud. Meaning is an expression of extreme annoyance. Next idiom is foul play. Meaning is crime or typically murder. Next idiom is fourth estate. Meaning is the media and newspapers. Next idiom is fox in the hen house or chicken house. Meaning is someone who causes trouble. The next idiom is freak out. Meaning is a widely irrational reaction or spell of behavior. Next idiom is French leave. and the meaning is absence without permission. Next idiom is Freudian slip. Meaning is accidental use of an incorrect word or a revealing slip of the tongue. Next idiom is from soup to nuts. Meaning is everything from beginning to end. Next idiom is from the bottom of one's heart. Meaning is sincerely and with deep feeling. Next idiom is from pillar to post. Meaning is from one place to another in a forced or random way. Next idiom is from scratch. Meaning is from individual ingredients or not using a prepared mix. Next idiom is fubber. Meaning is hopelessly ruined or not working or messed up. Next idiom is full of the joys of spring. Meaning is very happy or enthusiastic and full of energy. Next idiom is full fathom 5. Meaning is lost deep in the sea. Next idiom is get to grips with. Meaning is to begin, to understand and deal with something. Next idiom is get the ball rolling. Meaning is do something to begin a process. Next idiom is get the picture. Meaning is understand what's happening. Next idiom is get wind of. Meaning is hear about. Next idiom is get with the program, and the meaning is figure out what everyone else already knows. Often used sarcastically as a command. Next idiom is go along, and the meaning is agree to something or often provisionally. Next idiom is go ape. Meaning is express wild excitement or anger. Next idiom is go ballistic. Meaning is fly into a rage. Next idiom is go bonkers. Meaning is to be or become wild or restless or irrational or crazy, to act in such a way. Next idiom is go bananas. Meaning is to become irrational or crazy. Next idiom is go belly up. Meaning is to go bankrupt. Next idiom is go berserk. Meaning is to go crazy. Next idiom is go cold turkey. Meaning is stop using an addictive substance suddenly or without tapering off. Next idiom is go down in flames, meaning is fail in a spectacular way. Next idiom is go off the deep end, meaning is to unexpectedly become very angry or especially without a good reason. Next idiom is go off the rails, meaning is to go wrong or to begin acting strangely or badly. Next idiom is go out on a limb, meaning is assert something that may not be true. Put oneself in a vulnerable position. Next idiom is go pear-shaped, meaning is to fail or to go wrong. Next idiom is go see a man about a dog, meaning is go to the bathroom, said as a euphemism. Next idiom is go to the dogs, meaning is to become disordered or to decay. Next idiom is go mental, meaning is to suddenly become extremely angry. Next idiom is go nuclear, meaning is use an extreme measure because extremely angry. Next idiom is go nuts, meaning is to become crazy. Next idiom is go off half-cocked, meaning is to say or something prematurely or with a negative effect. Next idiom is go to the mattresses, meaning is to go into battle. Next idiom is go the extra mile, meaning is put forth greater than expected effort. Next idiom is go under the knife, meaning is undergo surgery. Next idiom is go viral, meaning is begin to spread rapidly on the internet. Next idiom is greasy spoon, meaning is an inexpensive restaurant that fries foods on a grill. Next idiom is go with the flow, meaning is to accept the way things naturally seem to be going. Next idiom is grease monkey, meaning is a mechanic or especially an auto mechanic. Grease the wheels, meaning is do something to make an operation run smoothly. Next idiom is grab the bull by the horns, meaning is to begin forthrightly to deal with the problem. Next idiom is green as grass, meaning is lacking training naive, often said of young people in new jobs. Next idiom is grasp at straws. Meaning is to take desperate actions with little hope of success. Next idiom is green around the gills. Meaning is to look sick. Next idiom is grind one's teeth. Meaning is be very annoyed or angry about something without being able to say anything about it. Next idiom is guinea pig. Meaning is a test subject, a person who is used as a test to see if something will work. Next idiom is guilty pleasure. Meaning is enjoying something which is not generally held in high regard, or while at the same time feeling a bit guilty about it is called a guilty pleasure. Next idiom is give and take. Meaning is negotiations or the process of compromise. Next idiom is give 'em hell. Meaning is express something passionately to a group. Next idiom is give someone a piece of your mind. Meaning is angrily tell someone what you think. Next idiom is give someone a run for their money. Meaning is compete effectively with the tender in a particular field. Now we have learned idioms from alphabet A to G. In our next video, we will learn idioms from H to Z.